Almost everyone has been in an accident in one way or another, and while there are many ways to avoid getting into an accident, many people may not know what to do after, especially in Michigan where the laws are a little different.
There's a lot of TV advertising where attorneys are talking about recovering large amounts of money in auto accidents, but they really aren't telling you very much about what the law is in Michigan. And Michigan is different than other states. Our no-fault law developed from the 1970s. And if you're in a car accident or injured, there's a lot more to be dealt with than just some promise that you're going to recover a certain amount of money if you're injured.
If you were injured in an accident, many assume your health insurance would play a part, but because the accident happened in a vehicle, your car insurance is actually responsible for the immediate health costs.
Really, the most important thing if you're injured that most people deal with, and they're not talking about on these TV ads, is who pays your medical expenses. If you're seriously injured and going to the hospital, that amount can add up quite a bit, even if it's only an emergency room visit. Your own insurance company, regardless of fault, your own insurance company in the car you're in will generally pay your medical expenses.
There are some exceptions and other concerns such as who pays for damages, recovering lost income if you are forced to take time away from work, and others. So talking to an attorney or insurance representative can help make sure things go as smoothly as possible. And finally, what about your rights? Is it possible to lose your rights if you are uninsured?
A large percentage of drivers are driving without insurance because of the high cost of auto insurance. Again, this goes against what we would think would be common sense, but if you're driving and someone else is at fault and injures you, can you make a claim? And the general answer under Michigan no-fault law is, no, you couldn't, even if you're not at fault. You're going to have serious problems, paying medical expenses, issues of damage to your car, recovering lost income, if you are not insured. So you should always be sure to have some form of basic insurance under Michigan law to make sure these other rights are kept in place.
In the end, the best thing you can do is ask.
In summary, what I'd like to say is Michigan no-fault law is not as simple as it seems. If you're in an accident, it's worthwhile to consult with a legal expert to walk you through these steps.
With today's Legal Minute, I'm Wyatt Van Dynen.